Some of you have already figured this out, and a couple of you have asked me how to do this next thing that I'm going to show you. This is just a, let's call it the sky. It's blue, so it can be the sky. You lay it down the way you've been taught to do, and when and when it's dry, you can do a few things with it that are unique to this board. So let's say this is the sky, and you would like to see a mountain. Now normally, it would be difficult to have a mountain and paint around the mountain. But in this case, you do it backwards. You put the sky in first, and you simply create the mountain by cutting into the sky. The thing that makes this unique is that normally you would have to paint around the mountain, which means the sky is not uniform because you're constantly raising the brush up and touching it back down to the surface. But with this method, you can use wide brush strokes so that the sky looks like a very even surface and cut the mountain in. Now that the space is made for the mountain, you can put in a brown mountain or black mountain or any other color mountain that you like by simply painting it in when the surface is dry once again, the way you've already been taught to do, and you've all done it, by getting paint onto the surface. Now, sometimes skies have clouds. Now here's a little trick that took me, I think, 3 years to figure out, but there's a lady over here that figured it out tonight. This is a little bottle of water. That's all it is. And it makes a fine spray. I think it's for spraying your flowers. And if you just kind of spritz it a little bit and take rolled up paper towel, you can create clouds. You can create clouds where there were no clouds before. Can you all see it? And I think that solves some problems for a lot of you that were wondering how to go about doing this. Thank you. For more information on the Encore Water Media Board, please go to our website.